Dad, you said this place. Dad,
Yeah,
you said this place was urban, but look, there's a park there we can visit.
yeah, but it's a small one, right?
Yeah, but still, it's like a garden.
Yeah. Hindi, S1 na tayo, Han. S1 na eh. To Hamburg Airport. Tingnan mo ah. Pwede rin yung U3, di ba? Sa'yo? Basta pupunta tayo kasi sa Central Station eh. Parehas lang din daw. Parehas din. Yeah. Airport, yeah. Punta tayo rito sa ano eh, Hamburg HBF. HBF is yung ano nila eh, main station. So, Hamburg HBF.
Asa yung Hamburg HBF?
Punta nga mo. Nagtanong ka, Han. Excuse me. Is this going to Hamburg HBF? Hamburg HBF.
Bergedorf. Oh, no.
This one? That one. Yeah. Okay. This side, right?
Yeah, you can check here also.
Okay, thank you.
Bergedorf.
That's the train. You have to go.
Hindi, alive ba yan? Ano? 10:10 naman. Alive ka ito. 10:58. Bago-bago.
So
Binago niya kanina eh. Ito na yung bagong ano.